Hi everyone, I'm Steph from the training department here at Miranda, and today I want to talk to you about the Area Developer Program. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, to establish yourself as a business builder and become one of Miranda's IPC leaders, then you are in the right place because the Area Developer Program was designed to help you do exactly that. The purpose of the AD program is to help you fill in the white spaces in your business and create incremental growth. White spaces are areas of opportunity in your business. The Area Developer Program will help you attack those areas of opportunity and reach new heights in your business and your paycheck by creating incremental growth in your volume. The new Area Developer Program begins April 1st, 2016, and is a permanent part of the Miranda Compensation Plan. So let's jump right into the details of the program. The Area Developer Program is driven by geography. Only territories that have been specifically announced as open for development are eligible for Area Developer perks and bonuses. You do not have to live in any of the areas designated as territories to participate. All you have to do is build your business in those territories. To find out which territories are currently open for development, please check out Miranda.com. Qualification for area developer titles are based on incremental growth above current volume baselines, QV6 personal, QV8 personal, and ASQV4. Your baseline for each of these factors is determined by taking your average volume in each category from January 2015 until December 2015. New IPCs with no volume will have a baseline of 0. Once your baseline is set, AD qualifications will be dependent on creating incremental growth over your baselines. To see your baselines, log into your back office and go to the tracker section. To qualify as an AD level 1 or 2, you must meet 4 requirements. Keep in mind as we go through this that everything we are talking about must take place in the specific territory where you're trying to qualify as an AD. 1. You need to be 120 core autoship qualified. 2. You need to increase your QV6 personal above your baseline by 24,000, which is equivalent to Pearl volume, and hold it for 3 months within the AD territory where you would like to qualify. 3. You need to personally sponsor 3 new paid-as JADE advancements and keep them for those same 3 months in the same AD region. 4. Increase your global volume baseline by at least that same 24,000. So let's take a look at a few examples so that you can get a better idea of the qualifications. This first IPC, Mary, just barely signed up. As of today, she doesn't have any volume nor people signed up below her, so her baseline average is 0. She will need to have 24,000 QV6 personal and 3 JADEs to become a Pearl and an AD. The second IPC, John, is currently a JADE with an average of 10,000 QV6 personal, and he has sponsored 1 JADE and 1 Coral. He will need to increase that volume by 24,000, equaling 34,000 QV6 personal, and needs to create 3 new JADEs on top of the ones that he already has. One of which could be a Coral that he has already sponsored. The third IPC, Sally, is currently a Pearl with an average of 24,000 QV6 personal with 3 JADEs. Her baseline average is 24,000 and will need to increase it in an AD specified territory by an additional 24,000, equaling 48,000 QV6 personal, and create 3 new JADEs on top of the 3 that she already has in that same territory. To reach Area Developer Level 2, you must meet all of the Level 1 qualifications and increase your ASQV4 by 10,000 over your baseline. The key points to remember are: know your baseline, increase your QV6 personal by 24,000, and personally sponsor 3 new JADEs. there is no time limit to qualify as an AD level 1 or 2, but there are some good reasons why you will want to do it quickly, which we will discuss in just a minute. To qualify as an EAD, you must meet 5 basic requirements. Again, everything we're talking about must take place in the specific territory where you're trying to qualify as an EAD. 1. You need to be 120 core autoship qualified. 2. You need to personally sponsor 3 new Praidas pearls and keep them for 4 months. 3. You need to increase your QV8 personal by 42,000 over your baseline and hold for the same 4 months. And 4. You need to increase your ASQV4 by 15,000 to 50,000 depending on the EAD level and hold it for that same 4 months. 15,000 for level 1, 20,000 for level 2, 25,000 for level 3, 30,000 for level 4, 40,000 for level 5, and 50,000 for level 6. 5. Increase your global volume baseline by 42,000. Once more, there is no time limit to qualify, but there are perks for doing it quickly, which, like I said, we will talk about soon. With each level of AD qualification, you will earn some amazing benefits. When you hit AD level 1, you become an AD for life and have the ability to continue to new AD levels. When you hit AD level 2, you get a share of the true performance bonus. At EAD level 1, you get a share of the true performance and infinity bonus. EAD level 2 gets you the true performance bonus and a larger share of the infinity bonus and possible black pearl bonus. At EAD level 3, you get the true performance bonus and larger shares of the infinity and a larger possible black pearl bonus. At EAD levels 4 through 5, you get the true performance bonus, the infinity, and an even larger possible black pearl bonus. And finally, at level 6, you get the true performance bonus, the infinity bonus, and possibly the largest portion of the black pearl bonus. Any IPC that hits at least 1 month of qualification for AD or EAD at any level within the first 3 months of that specific territory opening will earn a quick start bonus of $2,500 for AD or $5,000 for EAD. These bonuses are cumulative, which means that the maximum you could receive in quick start bonus is $5,000 per territory. If you fully qualify as an AD in the first 18 months of that specific territory opening, you will receive a $5,000 bonus. If you fully qualify as an EAD in the first 18 months of that territory opening, you will receive a $25,000 bonus. These bonuses are cumulative, so if you were to hit AD within the first 6 months, you would get a $5,000 bonus. If you then hit EAD 6 months later, you would get an additional bonus of $20,000 for a maximum of $25,000 per territory. Once the 18-month qualification period is over, these bonuses are no longer available. So make sure that you start early and do everything you can to qualify quickly. Personal paid as title bonuses are available as you hit new titles with incremental volume within the open territories while maintaining your global volume. These bonuses are only available during the first 18 months that a new territory is open. Here is the breakdown. Jade is $50 a month for each month that you maintain personal paid as Jade. Double Diamond Pearl is a one-time bonus of $10,000. Triple Diamond Pearl is a one-time bonus of $20,000, while Platinum Diamond Pearl is a one-time bonus of $25,000. and Black Pearl is a one-time bonus of $50,000. These bonuses are also cumulative and will be paid at each title. The maximum available through the personal paid as title bonus is $50,000. Any IPC who fully qualifies as an EAD at any level with 3 personally sponsored pearls who each have 3 personally sponsored jades in an official territory within the first 18 months that the territory is open will become a territory developer and receive the territory developer bonus. This bonus has the potential to be huge. Morinda will allocate 8% of the incremental volume from that territory and reserve it for the territory developer. So for example, if John qualifies as a territory developer in an AD-specific region and is the only territory developer, he will receive 8% of the incremental volume created in that region. If Susie also qualified as a territory developer, then they would share 8% on a pro rata basis. If multiple territories have territory developers, then 8% of all the incremental volume in those territories with territory developers will go into a bonus pool that is shared by all of the territory developers. So, going back to our example, if John and Susie qualified in a territory and Arthur qualifies in another territory on the other side of the globe, then 8% of the incremental volume from both territories go into a bonus pool that John, Susie, and Arthur would then share on a pro rata basis. The new Area Developer Program is going to be huge. The potential for building your business has never been greater. As you help Morinda fill in the white spaces, you will see your business and your paychecks grow. So start right now. As soon as this video is over, go to your back office and check your baselines. Figure out which territory or territories you want to target and then get to work. You can track your progress as you go on your back office. If you have any questions about the Area Developer Program, please contact customer service, your regional sales team, or shoot an email to morindauniversity@morinda.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.